let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us slow foxtrot silver level routine with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with natural turn, first 3 steps. Lady does heel turn. Here we continue with closed impetus. Notice man's heel turn. Then feather finish, diagonally to center against line of dance. We continue with top spin and then reverse wave. First 6 steps. We continue with open impetus, man's heel turn, and we finish in promenade position, and then feather ending, which is similar to feather step, but it starts from promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on directions. So we take close hold and we will start diagonally to wall, and we dance natural turn starting diagonally to wall. We continue with closed impetus in same direction and we finish diagonally to center against line of dance. And then we move top spin down line of dance. In same direction we continue with reverse wave. And open impetus we dance down line of dance and we finish diagonally to center. And we move diagonally to center with feather ending. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.